Alright, let's talk about why these crispy pumpkin fritters with smashed avo isn't just delicious, it's basically a joint-loving, bone-boosting, muscle-repairing masterpiece. First, we grate and squeeze out that beautiful pumpkin. Not just for texture, but for a hit of beta-carotene to protect your tissues from oxidative stress, potassium to keep those muscles contracting like clockwork, and fibre for gut health, which sneaky science now tells us may help keep inflammation down. Then we stir in almond flour. Now this isn't just to make your batter pretty, it's delivering calcium, magnesium and manganese to strengthen your bones and joints, plus vitamin E to keep your connective tissues resilient. In go the chili flakes, and not just for heat, they can help with circulation and reduce joint pain. We add a pinch of salt too. Remember, a touch of sodium is essential for muscle contraction and nerve function. Next up, in goes the egg, the hero for muscle repair. Serving up complete protein, plus vitamin D and choline to keep your bones dense and strong. We're going to cook those fritters to golden perfection in olive oil or grass-fed butter. And if you pick butter, you're actually getting a bonus hit of vitamin K too, helping calcium get exactly where it should go into your bones. While they sizzle, we'll whip up an easy, creamy smashed avo. Loaded with anti-inflammatory monounsaturated fats, potassium, magnesium and vitamin E to keep your joints supple and tissues protected. We mix in the lemon juice, a vitamin C hit for collagen synthesis because healthy tendons, ligaments and cartilage don't build themselves. Finally, to serve, some lemon wedges for extra collagen-loving vitamin C, a scattering of antioxidant-rich parsley and a cheeky sprinkle of chili flakes to finish. So there you have it. This isn't just brunch, it's a delicious strategy for supporting strong muscles, resilient bones, mobile joints and healthy connective tissue at any age. Tastes like comfort food, but it's fuel for the body and soul. Get into it.